Hi everyone. I just finished gardening, and this is what I have. I took out 2.5 tomato plants because a whitefly was just taking over and I didn't want it destroying the rest of the garden. So this is 90% of the tomatoes, maybe 85. Here are some tomatoes. Do you remember last time I did this? I probably did like a quarter of it, but these are a lot of the ones that I harvested not too long ago, and they were similar condition to this. This corner of the house is in a work in progress, just FYI, and currently we're getting some work done outside. So normally there would be this beautiful sunlight coming through, fresh air, but I don't want dust coming in, so it's okay. It's just for a couple of days. Anyhow, this lovely commenter on Instagram told me to turn the tomatoes upside down and to place it in sunlight, in like the most sunlight area, which I had already did that part, but I did end up turning everything upside down. Well, not these, but the heirlooms I turned upside down, and look, this one was just like this. So, and look at these were all green. So here's a tip for you. If you prune a ton for whatever reason, because you're trying to avoid disease, whatever the case is, and you have a lot of green tomatoes, know that you can put it in sunlight, let it sit in sunlight, and turn them upside down, and they will ripen. Which leads me back over here. Now I'm going to be hoping that all of this also ripens, because, I mean, why shouldn't it? And there's just so many. And look how beautiful.